Hello everyone, welcome back to Level Up NJ. In today's videos, we are going to discuss the another problem of Leetcode 150. Uh, Even though I have solved this uh, randomly, but this is here, so let's do this. So the problem is best time to buy and sell stock. So this is the problem, and as per our approach, first we will understand the description and the what actually the problem asking for, and then we will try to understand the example cases and then constraint. After that, in this video, we will see the mistakes to attempt this question a lot of beginners do, and then brute force approach, and final one, the optimal one to solve this problem. So now let's understand the description, what actually the problem asking for. So you are given an array price where price I is the price of given stock on the I3. So you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell the stock. So we have to return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. So this is the question. So just imagine we are given an array. So that array where all the element are the price of the stocks, and we have to maximize our profit to buy and sell the stocks. Okay, so for that, let's understand the example cases to get better understanding about this question. So here we have an array which holds 7, 1, 5, 3, 6. So first, as per question, we have to find the minimum value we can buy. So here the second index has the minimum value which is 1, and then we will move forward and just find and try to get the maximum price to sold. So here we have 6. So then y on second, which is price 1, and sell on index 5, which is 6. Their profit will be 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, so there is a note. So it's saying that buying on day second and selling on day 1 is not allowed because you must buy before you sell. So yeah, here's the interesting thing about this question. So we have only buy and actually only sell after the buying the stocks, because before that we cannot sell before buying. Okay, so we have to understand the order, because here the order is very important. Okay, and so in the second example, the minimum value we have to buy stocks which is 1, and after 1 there is no kind of uh, you can say price or index to sell the stocks. So that's why the profit is 0. In this course, no transaction are done and the max profit which is 0. Okay, so now let's understand the constraints. So the price dot length, the array will go till 10 to the power 5, and the element will go 10 to the power 4. Okay, so this is the question, and we have discussed about the description and the example cases. Now let's understand mistakes a lot of beginners do while solving this problem. So when they start to read about the description, then they think about just sorting methods. They think about just sort this array, and the minimum value will be the zeroth index, and the maximum value will be this last of the array, and then minus, and we'll get the maximum profit. But this is a wrong approach, because here we have discussed, like, we have to think about the order because we cannot sell before buying. So we have to think about that, because if in this example cases, if we buy on second index or second day, then we cannot sell before this buying or the first day. Okay, so we have to keep in mind the order. So we cannot sort this array to get the desired output. So now let's think about what actually can we do to solve this problem. Like, first thing, the brute force approach. Okay, so while solve this problem, we can use two nested loop, and we will make some condition and we'll get the answer. But I'm not going to talk about the brute force answer. But yeah, I'm telling you, because as per the constraints, uh, the array will grow till 10 to the power 5. So as per constraint, we have to solve this question either n log n or on linear time complexity. So now let's understand the optimal approach to solve this problem. Okay, so let me write the code here. To solve this problem, we'll use two pointer. So first one is, as per question we have discussed that first we have to find the minimum price. Okay, so let's write over that. So int price is equal to dot. Here we will get the max value in minimum price to find the minimum price. This is very simple to get the minimum or maximum price in an array. So let's now we will make another pointer. max profit, which will hold the maximum profit initially as 0. Now we make a loop. The price in price prices. Okay, then we'll make a condition to getting the minimum value in whole array. So if as the price is less than min price, then min price will become and hold the price value. Okay, and in this, when whole array will get the minimum price, then for getting the maximum profit, we will do the price minus minimum price. Okay, so if now let's time to track the maximum profit. So for that, we will make another condition. You know, else if price minus min price less than equal to max profit. Okay, then max profit will become price minus in price. Okay, so with help of this condition, here we are ensuring that we are getting the minimum value, and then as min price hold the minimum value and price will hold rest of the value, and here we are minus every value which will hold by price and minus, and if this is less than equal to max profit, here we are changing the new max profit. Okay, now in the end of this, uh, we will return mistake, return profit. Let me see, there is any mistakes and my price. Okay, another mistakes here. I have to work on my typing speed and accuracy also. Okay, now let's check, and let's see it will work. Okay, accepted. So yeah, as per this optimal approach, uh, we have done this question in linear time complexity. So yeah, this is all about this question. Okay, let's meet in another session with a new problem. Let me submit. Okay, yeah, it's done. It's